Ever feel like your bank is stuck in the slow lane while your business is screaming to get ahead? Traditional banks can feel clunky, inflexible, and frankly, a little outdated. They might offer limited tools for managing your finances, and getting anything done can take forever. Sound familiar? Well, fret no more, because there's a new kind of bank out there built specifically for the modern entrepreneur, the Relay Bank. So, what exactly is a Relay Bank? Think of it as the turbo boost your business needs. Let's break it down. Traditional banks versus Relay banks, a tale of two worlds. Imagine your bank as a dusty old filing cabinet. Everything's manual, paperwork piles up, and accessing your information feels like navigating a maze. Traditional banks often have limited online functionality, and their processes can be slow and cumbersome. Now, picture Relay as a sleek, high-powered control center. Everything's digital, streamlined, and designed to keep you in the driver's seat. Relay banks are built on innovative technology, offering a suite of tools specifically tailored to the needs of small businesses. Here's what sets Relay banks apart. Designed for entrepreneurs, unlike traditional banks, Relay understands the unique challenges you face as a business owner. They offer features and functionality that directly benefit your daily operations. Speed and efficiency, say goodbye to waiting on hold or filling out endless forms. Relay streamlines processes, making it easier to manage your finances and get things done quickly. Smarter technology, Relay banks leverage cutting-edge technology to provide you with powerful tools for tracking your cash flow, managing bills, and making payments. Think real-time insights, automated tasks, and seamless integrations with other business software. Focus on growth, Relay goes beyond just storing your money. They offer valuable resources and educational tools to help you navigate the financial aspects of running your business and achieve your growth goals. Lower fees, traditional banks can nickel and dime you with hidden fees. Relay banks often have a more transparent fee structure, keeping more money in your pocket to invest back into your business. Benefits of using a Relay bank for your business. Save time, streamlined processes, and automated features free up your valuable time to focus on what matters most, growing your business. Gain control, get a clear picture of your finances with real-time tools and powerful insights. Make smarter decisions based on accurate data. Improve efficiency, automate tasks like bill payments and invoicing, freeing up your team to focus on other crucial aspects of your business. Increase collaboration, share access to accounts and financial information with your team members securely, improving transparency and collaboration. Focus on your goals. With helpful resources and guidance, you can make more informed financial decisions to help your business thrive. Is a Relay bank right for you? If you're a small business owner tired of the limitations of traditional banking, a Relay bank might be the perfect solution. They offer a modern, tech-driven approach to banking that can empower you to take control of your finances and fuel your business growth. However, Relay banks might not be the best fit for every business. Consider the size and complexity of your financial operations. If you have a large corporation with intricate banking needs, a traditional bank might still be the way to go. The takeaway. Relay banks offer a fresh take on business banking, built specifically for the needs of modern entrepreneurs. With their user-friendly technology, focus on growth, and transparent fees, they can be a game-changer for your small business. Do some research, compare your options, and see if a Relay bank could be the missing piece in your business's financial puzzle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.